Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on Open Link in default browser on your Messenger app. We will go to turn on this mark or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on this mark here on app, and it's going to show for your window like this. And you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here and you click here on photos media and the media, and you come here to open links in default browser. You click here on this mark. Now like you see now this color show for us, that's mean open links in default browser it's turned on now. So that's all you have to do to turn on this mark on your Messenger app. I wish now you all get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.